The second class compartments and sometimes even the first class compartments are very crowded. Stop. Drinking water is not being provided. Stop. The toilets and bathrooms are not clean. Stop. The railway authorities should pay more attention to the basic requirements of the passengers. Stop. The food that is being supplied is not to at all good and hygienic. Stop. It is very often cold and exposed, let alone the taste of food, which is very bad at times. Stop. Care must be taken by the management to provide good and hygienic food. Stop. The Honorable Minister has been kind enough to supply hot and hygienic food to the members in the central hall and in the parliament. Stop. Likewise, the same kind of good food should be supplied to the passengers also. Stop. As the catering service is being privatized, the service should improve. Stop. It is criticized that laying of double line in some parts of Tamil Nadu and other areas has not been taken up. Stop. This is true and it has to be done on priority. Stop. I suggest that new lines should be laid and the narrow gauge and meter gauge lines should be converted to broad gauge lines. Stop. The workers as well as people suffer when funds meant for conversion are not released. Stop. This is especially so in the case of Konkan Railway and Mysore Bangalore route. Stop. Anyway, this budget has sought to provide employment opportunities to the downtrodden people. Stop. It contributes a great deal for the development and growth of the country. Stop. The railway stations need to be properly equipped so that proper catering services are maintained. Stop. A lot remains to be done as far as leakage of revenue is concerned, whether it be in the passenger line or in the transportation of goods. Stop. This will also help in improving the economy of the railways. Stop. Steps are also to be taken to maintain safety and security of both the passengers and the goods. Stop. Important officers like chief engineers and other officers should also be instructed to arrange meetings and discussions with the local leaders and social workers so that they get acquainted with the problems faced by the passengers. Stop. Punctuality should also be maintained strictly. Stop. Wagons should be made available for transporting perishable articles like vegetables, potatoes, tomatoes, and mangoes. Stop. Stanza. Their services and their due promotions should be safeguarded. Stop. Some junior officers of railways were on hunger strike recently at the Boat Club, New Delhi. Stop. Stanza. Equal pay for equal work and to promote officers who were denied their right, whether on percentage basis or otherwise, as against the direct recruits were their demands stopped when they were on hunger strike. They were not called for negotiations. Stop over.